dream car that stole the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. A machine that blended elegance with performance, creating one of the most iconic silhouettes in automotive history. But is the Ferrari 308 still a legend today, or has it been overshadowed by modern engineering? Let's dive in. Welcome to Revamp Cars, your ultimate destination for classic and modern automotive stories. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Ferrari 308, a car that redefined Ferrari's lineup and became a cultural phenomenon. From its breathtaking design to its performance on the road, we'll explore what makes the 308 an enduring classic. The Ferrari 308 was a sensation when it debuted in the mid-1970s. But the automotive world has evolved dramatically since then. With new supercars boasting cutting-edge technology and mind-blowing performance, does the 308 still hold its value and appeal? Or is it merely a nostalgic relic, outshined by today's high-tech marvels? The Ferrari 308 first arrived in 1975 as a successor to the Dino 246 GT. Designed by Pininfarina, its sleek, wedge-shaped body and mid-engine layout set a new standard for sports cars. Under the hood, the 308 packed a 2.9-liter V8 engine. Producing a performance, the 308 became a pop culture icon, most notably in Magnum, where it starred alongside Tom Selleck. This exposure helped solidify its place in history, making it one of the most recognized Ferraris ever built. But with modern cars boasting turbocharged engines, hybrid powertrains, and lightning-fast dual-clutch transmissions, can the 308 still hold its ground? Driving a Ferrari 308 today is an experience like no other. Unlike modern supercars that rely on computers and electronics, the 308 delivers pure, unfiltered driving pleasure. The manual gated shifter, the raw feedback of the steering, and the unmistakable V8 soundtrack make every drive feel special. While it may not match today's performance numbers, the Ferrari 308 offers something unique: soul. It reminds us of an era when driving was an art. Does the Ferrari 308 still deserve its legendary status? Absolutely. It may not be the fastest or most technologically advanced car by today's standards, but it represents a golden age of automotive design and craftsmanship. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who values a raw driving experience, the 308 remains an irreplaceable icon. What are your thoughts on the Ferrari 308? Would you pick this classic over a modern supercar? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible automotive stories from Revamp.